Hey, what's up, everyone? It's the Honda Steve up at Team Honda in Maryville, and I am really excited today. Just about an hour ago, I launched my first app ever, the Honda Steve. Super pumped, super excited about it. So if you haven't downloaded it, please take the time, show some support for some local business. I would totally appreciate it. But I already have a couple questions. I've had a few people contact me regarding how to download the app. So I'm going to show you how to download the app. So all you need to do is go to the Honda Steve on Facebook, or you could go to my personal Facebook page, either way, or I could text it to you. Then you just go find the link. Here's the link, the Honda Steve. So this app is just going to basically be useful. Hopefully all my customers that have purchased a vehicle from me will download this. It's just an easy way to get a hold of me. If you have any questions, I am definitely able to answer it on there. Also, I've got some how-to videos as well. But yeah, you guys will check it out. So what you're going to do, click on the link. After you click on the link, in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a little download button. It's a little arrow pointing to the right. Click on that, and you have to open it in Safari if you're on an iPhone. After you open it on Safari, it'll load. Then you simply click Get, and it tells you exactly what to do. You're just going to add to home screen. And let's go, where are you at? Head to home screen. THS, the Honda Steve. And then simply add it, and there I am. Very soon, actually later today, I'm going to do a full video just walking you through the app and what features are available on it. Definitely want some feedback. Let me know what you guys want to see on it when I do walk you through the tutorial on how to use it. So again, just a little quick video. I want to let you know how to download the app so you guys do have it for your reference regarding any vehicle you purchase from me, or if you have questions about purchasing a vehicle, I'm definitely down to help you out. Once again, the Honda Steve up at Team Honda in Maryville. Download, like, link